discover the convenience and efficiency of the Ovente electric countertop double burner, model BGC102S, designed to simplify your cooking experience with its dual hot plates and user-friendly features. The Ovente electric countertop double burner features a sturdy construction with fire-resistant metal housing that ensures durability and safety during use. The heating elements consist of a 6-inch and a 5.75-inch stainless steel coil, providing even heat distribution for various cooking tasks. This design not only heats up quickly but also maintains temperatures efficiently, from simmering delicate sauces to boiling water rapidly. Powered by 1700 watts, this double burner delivers consistent heating performance suitable for a wide range of cooking needs. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or keeping food warm for a gathering, the Ovente burner offers 3 temperature settings: low, medium, and high, controlled by a simple knob. The indicator light alerts you when the burner is heating up and turns off once the desired temperature is reached, ensuring precision in cooking. Operating the Ovente burner is straightforward with its intuitive temperature control knob. The compact and lightweight design makes it portable and ideal for various settings such as homes, apartments, RVs, offices, and even outdoor events. Non-slip rubber feet provide stability on any surface, preventing accidents during cooking. Cleaning is effortless thanks to the stainless steel base, which allows you to wipe away spills and splatters with ease using a non-abrasive sponge or cloth. This electric burner is a versatile addition to any kitchen, offering additional cooking space during holidays, parties, or when your main stove is occupied. Its portability makes it convenient for camping trips or vacations where cooking facilities may be limited. The burner is compatible with a wide range of cookware types, including stainless steel, cast iron, and aluminum, ensuring flexibility in your culinary endeavors. Safety is paramount with the Ovente burner, featuring a heat-resistant metal housing that remains cool to the touch during operation. The automatic shut-off function prevents overheating, enhancing peace of mind while cooking. These features make it a reliable choice for daily use without compromising safety or performance. Backed by US-based customer service, Ovente ensures customer satisfaction by offering a 1-year warranty against defects in material and workmanship under normal use conditions. This warranty underscores the brand's commitment to quality and reliability, allowing you to purchase with confidence. In conclusion, the Ovente electric countertop double burner, model BGC102S, combines efficiency, durability, and ease of use into a compact and versatile appliance. Whether you're a busy professional, a student in a dormitory, or a home chef hosting gatherings, this burner provides the power and flexibility to enhance your cooking experience. Its robust design, coupled with intuitive controls and safety features, makes it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable cooking solution that doesn't compromise on performance. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ovente electric countertop double burner and enjoy stress-free cooking with every meal. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.